Hey, if you want to connect your pen drive into your Realme 10, for sure you can do this. So first of all, on your Realme 10, you'll have to navigate into the settings. You'll have to click on the settings and type OTG. We have to enter for the OTG connection and enable it by clicking on this switcher. So just like this. Now, if you don't have the USB-C pen drive, you will have to buy this adapter to connect it into the USB-C port. But in my case, I have it, so all I have to do is just to connect it straight into the USB-C port. And now when I do this, as you can see, the files pops automatically, and now I can open my pen drive and I can open anything that I want from here. So here I can find some pictures, music, and other stuff. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.